for the record.
Get this one thing clear.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today I am having a great day so far. I'm about to leave the house to just go for a walk with one of my friends and neighbors. We're just gonna hit up the farmer's market so I can get some stuff for the weekend. And then later on, my friend Camilla's coming over, so we're gonna film the plant apartment tour part of this video, which is probably the most the most exciting part of the video. So yeah, I thought I would show you guys my little outfit today. This is my new sweatsuit. I got it from Zara. I'm obsessed with it. It's literally just purple. It's not really like fall colors, but whatever. So it's kind of cold outside though, so I need to put a jacket on. And then I'm trying to make my hair get wavy, so I put it in this little side thing. I put my little reusable shoppers in my purse. I got my mask, hand sanitizers in there. So let's head out to the farmer's market. Okay, I just made a little breakfast slash lunch, avocado toast with an egg, obviously. I'm just waiting for Camilla to come over and then we're gonna start filming. Like knowing that I'm about to film like a mini apartment tour is really stressing me out because I feel like I'm such a perfectionist and I want my apartment to look perfect when I show it to you guys. Which is why we're doing this mini test first. But yeah, I just need to calm down and like, you guys already know exactly how imperfect I am, but there's something about my space. I just love it so much that like, I want it to come across as perfect. I know that's weird. Anyway, where's my laptop? I am going to see what's up on YouTube while I eat my little breakfast. This is so boring. I will see you guys later when we start the actual apartment tour. Oh, Architectural Digest, welcome, come in. Today I'm gonna be showing you my plant apartment tour, so the mini version of the apartment tour. So welcome to my apartment. When you walk in, first thing is the kitchen. There's not too many plants in here, so we're not actually gonna spend a lot of time, but if you wanna come in, this is my dining table. I mostly don't use it because it's kind of lonely being at the dining table when you live alone. But I have a little cactus on here. And then up here, these are like storage cabinets for, in here I have cleaning supplies, and then in here I have all my winter coats. And I have this little guy up here. This is a little baby that my friend Michaela propagated, so he lives up there. And then by the kitchen island over here, this is actually one of my like prized pieces of the apartment is this kitchen island. But the plants here, these are two that I brought in from outside, and then this, they're kind of dying actually. And then I have this little one here. I don't actually know what it's called, but we have those. Okay, cool. Oh, and this one too, I forgot. These are papyrus, so they're kind of like they apparently don't need a lot of sun and they always stay looking dry like this, but I think mine's dying actually, so I don't know. Okay, so now the actual good part of the apartment is over here. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, so the better part of the apartment is on this side, and this is where I spend most of my time. We'll pause here because this is like really nice aesthetic that I think I finally curated. So this is eucalyptus, it's all dried. I'm gonna get some pampas grass for here, but I don't have it yet, unfortunately. And then here we have lavender from Quebec, so all dried plants over here. And then when you come in this way, yeah, this is probably like what you guys see the most in my videos. These are stairs because it's actually a loft, my apartment. I'll show you guys upstairs after. But if you come here into the living room, this is like the main plant room. So yeah, this is like my happy space, the best part of the apartment in my opinion. And I'll take you guys like through the plants and then you guys will be able to see, you know, more of the room. So this is my money tree. I rescued this one from my balcony actually, like my shared space roof in my condo. Someone just abandoned it out there and it was like knocked over, all the dirt was falling out. So I took it and it's like completely come back to life, which apparently means I'm gonna be rich. So Make sure you watch all the ads on this video to make that come true. Okay, these are my 2 snake plants. I really, really like them. They're huge. Eventually I'll probably like propagate them, but I kind of like how this looks here with like all 3 in their matching baskets. I don't know, this looks really good. And then up above we have a mini snake plant. I don't actually know what this one is called. And then we have like a baby propagated snake plant on here. And these shelves my dad built. We built them from just like, everything's from Home Depot. It was really cheap. Basically everything in my apartment is like DIY'd or used. So, I mean, I guess when I do a real apartment tour, I'll talk about the furniture, but that's that shelf. Then over here underneath the TV, this is the worst part of this room. This thing here, it always falls, so just please don't look at it. Okay, this I think is called a zebra plant. It's really small and cute. I don't know. This is a baby from, this is called a pothos, and this is one that I propagated and it's growing like crazy, so that's really fun. This here is a weird plant. I think it's meant to be an outdoor one. Someone gave it to me and I don't know, it's like, I don't think it's doing too well, but it's okay. It just like completes the look over here, I find. And then up here we have 2 more pothos on the other shelf. This is ugly, don't look at that. Okay, over here we have another money tree. This is one that I'm babysitting for a friend, and obviously theirs is a lot smaller, so they're not as rich as me. Okay, this is a little cactus corner, and I have 2 babies in here that I'm propagating. These are like little jars that I got at an event. They were like mini cocktails in here, and anytime I see little jars like this, I always take them because you can propagate in them, and they look so cute, and it's like a fun way to recycle. So that's that. And then over here, this is a newer plant, and it's one of my favorites. It's a Montreal, obviously, and it's huge. So I just keep it here, but eventually it might move because it's like so big, so we'll see what happens. And then this is my couch, so this is like the background for all of my videos that you guys watch. That's, yeah, my couch. In the back is all of the little babies that are propagating. And over here, I don't know what this one's called, but it's starting to go pretty long, and then it's gonna grow like off the table, and it'll be really cool. Okay, over here is my Monstera. This one started out, it was like really floppy, and I found some bamboo sticks on the street. Like literally everything in my apartment, I like try and find it on the street or get it on Facebook, whatever. And anyway, so I put the bamboo in and then was able to make it grow up, and it looks a lot bigger and nicer. It's a bit slanty, but he's doing his best. Back here we have a humongous aloe that is growing really weirdly, but he does his own thing. Oh! Okay, yeah, this is my living room table. I try and keep it like as minimal as possible, but yeah, anyway, we just have our stack of books here. We have more lavender and more eucalyptus in these 2 little vases, and I really like it. Like this, I don't know, this is the whole look in this room I think is really good. It's really like the exact vibe I wanted, and it's so cozy. Like I've obviously been spending so much time at home during COVID, and it's been really nice. Okay, over here, if we go towards the upstairs, this little corner has 2 plants. One is a tree, I don't know what it's called, and the other is this like ferny plant. So I don't know, I think they just kind of brighten up the staircase a little bit. And then actually if we go upstairs, I'll show you guys my bedroom, and I have 1 plant out there. Fall off. Okay, so this is my bedroom. It's a loft, and you actually can't stand all the way up. So I'm 5'5", and I have to like bend down a little bit. So if you're really tall, you can't come over, unfortunately. But this is my one and only plant upstairs because it's a bit hard to get light up here. So we have that little one that's from Michaela. And then you guys can get a quick little sneak peek of my bedroom. It's nothing crazy. Okay, so the last part of the house is the office. And just in case anyone's wondering, technically this is a 1-bedroom, but I guess it's more of like a 1-bedroom plus den because I have like this office and then I use the bedroom upstairs. But anyways, so under the stairs, this is I think my favorite plant in the whole apartment. This is a peace lily, and he's just growing so big, and I think tomorrow actually, which you guys will see, we're gonna perform a little surgery on him. I might split him up because he's just getting too big. And then if we come into my actual like office room, I really like this room, especially now that I work from home all the time. It's so nice like having a dedicated office space, and as you guys can see, my desk is really huge. So this is my desk, and this corner here is like my favorite kind of little spot. I feel like it looks really aesthetic, and I have this plant here. I don't actually know what it's called. And then I have this nice cotton stick that's like all dried. So it lasts for a really long time. So that's that. I have two other plants in here. I have this one, and I think he complements my little gallery wall very well. Most of those pictures are from when I was in Australia. And we have another hanging plant over here. This one's also from Michaela. Most of my plants are from Michaela. And then just in here is my closet. It's really not that exciting. Okay, so that is it for my plant apartment tour. One day I'll hopefully get brave enough to film a real apartment tour, but at least now you guys have like a better idea of where I live, and plus you guys asked to see the plants, so there they are. Thanks for watching this part, and I don't know what we get up to later, but you'll see. Everybody, it's Sunday and we're doing something so exciting today. We're gonna dye my hair pink, so let's do it. So my hairdresser said to use Manic Panic because it actually is able to wash out, so I'll be able to keep the blonde afterwards. So I got, if it will focus, Cotton Candy Pink. So I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look.
C-A-R-P, Thunder. Amen.
But my goodness, except for the fact that both my
almost as mad as I get when I think
Are you
about
ready?
the fact that my sister named him Catherine.
Yep. Mr. Duval's
Okay. Good day, everybody.
Yeah.
being inside extra emotions here.
Yes, that's so hard.
Okay, I look absolutely psycho because my hair is cooking underneath here, but we're gonna start like dissecting and propagating some of the plants. So I guess I'll explain like what we're doing as we go, but basically some of my plants like are overgrown. Some of them I'm gonna cut to propagate and just make more plants, even though I really don't need any more. So let's do it. Maybe like 1,000. Dude, I'm looking like this for 1,000 people to see. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Monstera. As you can see, it's huge, and I think it's, I look crazy. I think it's outgrown its pot, so I wanna cut off part of it and transfer it into a different pot so that it can grow better, because if your plants grow too big and they grow inside the pot, they'll actually start dying, which I think is kind of happening to this one. So we're gonna split it up. Okay, so this one has been taken out. We cut part of it off and put it back into its original pot, but it'll probably get out of control again. And we used some like old, this is from like sweatpants that kind of broke to tie them up. But yeah, it's still huge and out of control, so we'll see what happens. And then this one is one that I started propagating in a different container, but it wasn't going fast enough. So we put it in here. And you can see the white things are like the little roots, so that it'll be able to go into the soil pretty soon, hopefully. But yeah, it looks cool in its vase. And then this one over here was the other half of that big one. So now we have a little Monstera corner. Baby.
Stop!
So this is an old kombucha jar. I always save like any jar that's cute because you can always propagate with it and it saves you from having to like buy something for it. So we're gonna stick it in here. Put it in. Yay! Amazing. Are you guys ready for the first look? I feel like lava girl or something, like with this colored hair. But I really like it. The lighting's really bad. Let's go find a better spot. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's my new hair. I really like it. Kamij did a good job. I think next time I need to cook it a little bit longer. It said to wrap it in plastic wrap, but I didn't have any. So I think it didn't like quite get as vibrant as it could, and it's like already a little bit faded, but I still have stuff left in the tube, so wow. I definitely don't feel like myself, but I really like it.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
I have zit cream on my face. I've literally looked so ugly this entire video. I can't believe I put myself on the internet looking like this, but I don't know. I just honestly don't care. So it's actually Monday now, and I forgot to close up the vlog. Basically, yesterday we headed out for tacos and ended up making a detour and going to get Camilla's nose pierced. So that was really, really fun. We basically just felt like a bunch of like rebel teenagers. And it was a really great weekend, so thank you guys so much for coming along. Let me know if you want to see more weekend vlogs, and I have to get to work now, so I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.